No, I haven't.
Just listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
Right.
I haven't got a drone up.
Just listen to me.
Go ahead.
So what's that then?
That's some drone footage.
Right. Okay. So where's your drone?
Huh?
Where's your drone?
What's it got to do with you, buddy?
Right. Okay.
Look, the joypad's not moving. Look at that, guys. He's just said I'm committing an offence.
They can fly themselves. It's not stupid. I own a drone myself.
You want a drone? And so am I committing an offence now?
Yes, you are.
So are you arresting me then? Are you arresting me?
I'm going to take your details and someone's just.
I'm not giving you.
Welcome to UK Cop Hub, where we examine police conduct, break down legal standards, protect public rights, and demand accountability. Today's episode features footage from Reggie Photo. Be sure to check the link below, support the channel, and give full credit to the original creator. In this case, Auditor Reggie is in Preston city center, lawfully documenting a building fire using a drone. He maintains a safe distance, avoids interference with emergency services, and complies with the relevant regulations. However, after the drone has already been landed, an officer intervenes, incorrectly asserts that the activity was unlawful, and proceeds with an arrest that lacks proper legal justification. The outcome speaks for itself. The officer's actions failed to meet legal and procedural standards, and the incident later resulted in a payout to the auditor, a clear example of how misunderstandings of the law can lead to accountability consequences.
Can you bring it right down? Now.
I ain't got a drone up.
You've got a drone up.
No, I haven't.
You have. You walked past me with a drone.
I haven't got a drone up.
Where is your drone?
Pardon?
Where's your drone? Right. Just listen to me. Just go ahead a sec.
Go ahead.
Right. You've obviously got the drone up.
I haven't.
Well, you have.
No, I haven't.
Just listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
Right.
I haven't got a drone up.
Just listen to me.
Go ahead.
So what's that then?
That's some drone footage.
Right. Okay. So where's your drone?
Huh?
Where's your drone?
What's it got to do with you, buddy?
Right. Just so you know, you are committing an offence.
I'm not committing an offence at all. Am I flying at this minute?
Listen to me.
Am I flying?
Listen to me.
Go ahead.
Right.
Just to let you know, we're contacting Civil Aviation Authority to put a temporary ban on flyovers.
Mate, he said I'm flying. No, I'm not.
So,
Am I flying?
so where's your drone?
What's it going to do with you guys? I'm not flying a drone.
Here is the first major legal failure. Officers immediately accuse the auditor of committing an offense without confirming whether the drone is even airborne. They reference the Air Navigation Order, specifically Article 256, which applies only when a drone is flown recklessly or dangerously. That threshold requires clear evidence of risk to people, property, or emergency operations.
Just crack on with your job.
Right. Under Article 256 of the Air Navigation, you are committing an offence.
Offence? Am I flying a drone at this minute?
Near the building.
Look,
Okay.
the joypad's not moving.
Gotta...
Look at that, guys. He's just said I'm committing an offence.
They can fly themselves. It's not stupid. I own a drone myself.
You want a drone? And so am I committing an offence now?
Yes, you are.
So are you arresting me then? Are you arresting me?
I'm going to take your details and someone's just...
I'm not giving you the details.
I'll have to arrest you.
Go on then. Go on then.
Right, okay.
I'm not flying a drone.
The auditor is flying a DJI Mini, a sub-250-gram drone that falls under the A1 category of the open class. Under UK law, these drones are permitted to operate in built-up areas when flown safely. Officers fail to ask basic questions: what drone is being used, whether a restriction is in place, or whether the footage shown is live or recorded. Instead, they escalate based on assumption.
I'm not flying a drone. My drone's in my bag, you pair of muppets.
You want to give us the drone?
Mate, you've just detained. Am I being detained? Detained for what?
Committing an offence under the Aviation Act. Okay. I have told you that. I have asked you.
Am I being detained?
I've asked you.
Am I being detained? I'm arrested?
Yes, you are.
Right.
Okay, all you need to do is show us your drone.
My drone's in my bag.
I asked you. You said.
My drone is in my bag. Check my bag.
I was just trying to I know that. But he's made that decision. He's a grown man, and if he wants...
Mate, no, my drone's in my bag. I've told him it's in my bag. He's detaining me, arresting me for a
you
drone.
need to get your details as well, your name and address as well.
What? I was flying it before you actually told me it was an offence. Why is it an offence when I've got a... Are you arresting me? Serious?
Yes, I've just arrested you.
Will you check that bag just to make sure my drone's in there?
Once we've established safety details.
This is... Hey, do you know what? This is an unlawful...
Listen to me, alright?
Yeah.
Start shouting. Once we've ascertained your details and confirmed who you are, we can look at de-arresting you in relation to...
De-arresting me? I've not committed an offence from the start. I've got a licence and everything.
At the same time, the auditor does everything correctly. He remains calm, explains the drone is down, does not obstruct officers, and correctly states he is not required to provide information without lawful grounds.
You don't arrest people first, mate. That you're doing the wrong thing. The law...
You come with me.
Pardon? It wasn't flying, mate.
Come with me.
Jog on, you muppet. Who's got the controller and the phone?
What did you do?
I need that control and the phone because he's got the evidence, mate.
Right, okay.
I proved to you I weren't flying a drone.
You haven't proved it, you was being awkward.
Mate, you said that I was flying a drone.
Controller is. I can't talk, you're shouting.
I have got handcuffs on and they're hurting, mate.
Have you got his controller? Right.
I do.
We'll take the
So look at that, that's still going as we speak.
Right.
That was from footage before when there was no blocker in the area.
Just search his bag.
Yeah, of course, mate. What was your name, fella?
I'm not telling you my name. I'm not telling you my name. I'm not obliged to because I'm not committed an offence.
I was only asking your name.
This is the pivotal moment. When officers search the bag and physically locate the drone, it confirms beyond doubt that it was not flying at the time of the arrest. That discovery completely collapses the legal basis for the detention. At this point, officers are required to reassess, de-arrest immediately, and disengage.
He's detained me and I'm in handcuffs now.
I've already told you, under the Aviation Act, you are committing offence. You're driving you're flying a drone near buildings.
Near buildings.
Without a licence, you can't do that.
I've got a licence. I've got a licence. Am I permitted to give you a licence? Because this area is exempt from the CAA.
Who is it?
Eh?
Where's the drone?
It's in the bag. Look through the rest of the bag. Not inside the bag, not that bit.
Sorry, guys, can I just ask you to take a couple of steps back for me? Thank you.
No, it's sorry.
Oh, so now Constable is seeing that my drone's in the bag, as it is. It wasn't flying when he pulled me and put me in handcuffs. So now, this is a wrongful arrest. Am I still being detained, Constable? Please let me know soon, because the longer this goes on, the more you will be a civil court matter. Okay. And I will prosecute you.
That's fine.
Personally. You've detained...
We make complaints Lancashire Constabulary, mate, by all means do so.
Are you being cocky, Louis?
No, I'm telling you where to make your complaint.
Peace, what's your collar number?
Sergeant 5409.
Sergeant 540. Are you happy with your constable doing what he's done to me?
If you'd like to make a complaint...
Are you happy with what your constable's done to me?
Ashley?
Can he let me out of these cuffs now?
Instead, the officer continues as if nothing has changed. Persisting after exculpatory evidence emerges is one of the most serious procedural errors an officer can make.
Listen, you are committing the offence, okay?
How can I commit offence when I wasn't flying?
Do you want to
At the
listen? I'll shout at
time,
him.
you wouldn't tell me whether you was flying or not.
I wasn't committing an offence.
Right? Listen to me. At the time, I suspected you was committing the offence.
No, you said I was committing an offence.
Because you wouldn't tell me you had the drone in the bag.
No, I told you I didn't have it.
No, you didn't.
Mate, you've done an unlawful arrest on me today. What's your collar number?
You can have a call at 8512. Okay? Listen to me. You're now de-arrested because you're not flying the drone. Should you?
I tried to tell you I wasn't flying a drone.
Should you that drone take off, you will be arrested.
No, I won't. Okay. No, I won't. If I want to fly that,
CCTV monitoring.
I want to fly that, this is a legal way I can fly this drone. I've got a license.
The consequences were unavoidable. The auditor later filed a civil claim for wrongful arrest. The police force paid £1,150, with the auditor receiving £837.50 after costs, a formal legal acknowledgement that the arrest was unlawful.
Are you a muppet or what? So are you saying if I fly that now I'm being arrested?
Are you going to keep still or it's going to hurt when you take your handcuffs off?
Listen, stop pushing my back. You're making things a lot worse.
It's going to hurt if you
Muppet.
Don't be swearing.
I will swear because he's arresting me for nothing.
You're gonna get yourself locked up for something else.
Locked up for what? Public order?
Breach of the peace or public order.
Breach of the peace. Go on, crack on, crack on. You put me in handcuffs for nothing. Don't put them on the other way around next time, you Joey. You not put a pair of handcuffs on or what? So why are you twisting them like that?
Your hand away
I ain't
like
pulling. Do you think I want to walk away with that on me? You Joey. You're a muppet, mate. You've arrested. What you arresting me then for nothing? I weren't flying a drone, and it's illegal to. It's legal to fly a drone here.
All right, okay.
Is it not?
Prove it then.
Prove it. I'll give you my operator's ID.
Go on then.
Go on then.
Let's have a look at your ID.
I'm going to give you my operator's ID right now, where it's legal to fly a drone right here.
Okay. So that says that you can fly above buildings and people.
Yeah. Do you know what type of drone this is? Before we go, because I'm going to make a civil claim against you, right? I'm going to show you the drone. This is
the drone. I know what they are.
Do you see that there, buddy?
It's a DJI Mini. I know.
DJI Mini. It's under 250 grams, right? Yeah. Nothing around here in Preston is exempt from me flying above, and I wouldn't be. I wouldn't
near a burning building.
I was 120 metres above the sky, buddy.
And interfering with emergency.
Not interfering, no.
Yes,
not interfering.
Yes, it was.
I wasn't interfering. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Hence why it's
Don't lie.
Down.
Don't lie.
Have you got your licence?
What?
You got your licence?
For one, I'm not permitted to show you my licence.
You just told me you're going to show me, now you're not.
But do you know what that is? That's my operator's licence number.
Right, so I will contact then the CAA and I will let them know about your unlawful flying of the drone.
It wasn't unlawful.
You'll lose your licence, won't you?
No, it won't.
You're being monitored. See you.
I can fly this again.
These cases also trigger internal reviews, mandatory retraining, and potential misconduct findings. Financial payouts are only one part of accountability.
Because do you know CAA, they need to put a blocker in the area.
Well, they're doing it now.
Well, once they do that, that will stop me flying.
Carry on shouting, you're going to get locked up.
No, I won't stop shouting. No, what? This is me.
Right. Well,
what are you going to arrest me for? What are you going to arrest me
for? A breach of the peace, as simple as that.
Oh, breach of the peace? You can't be offended.
Right.
You can't be offended.
I can't be offended. These firefighters can. This baby here in this pram can.
I'm really, do you know what I'm offended? You're a muppet.
All right.
Yeah. Do you know why? Because you illegally arrested me then.
All right, cool.
Yeah? Did you not illegally arrest me then? My wrist, look at my wrist there. Right. My wrists are killing for what you did. You are a muppet.
Right, put a complaint.
8512.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put a complaint. It's fine.
It's fine? Yeah. Look at you laughing about it. What type of a Joey are you? You are a tyrant, Constable. You think you can do that to people when I've got a licence for a drone?
Okay.
Have I got a licence?
That
will be proven in court.
Real license.
Pardon? You didn't actually put me in handcuffs. That's not the way you do it.
Flying the drone. You said no. You said yes. You wouldn't tell me whether you was flying the drone.
Also, you just arrest people and that.
You wouldn't show me.
You need to know CAA.
Right. Well,
you don't know it.
Deal with it in court.
You don't know it. You're a Joey.
Thank you.
You are a muppet.
Thank you.
I'm disrespected.
Right. I've been breaching the peace because there's members of the public there that are offended by.
Are you offended by what I just said?
So listen to me. Back it in with the language.
I'm speaking to you.
Simple as move on.
No, I'm going this way.
Right. Move that way then.
Is my silence good enough for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
You're a tyrant, aren't you?
Keep an eye on this guy for us, please.
Keep an eye. He's all right with me. He's all right. He's all right.
Excuse me, you stood in my way.
Huh? You're stood in my way.
How we doing, kid?
Look at this guy. He's a proper tyrant. Idiot. He just arrested me. Everybody, this is the Preston Police Force for you. Joey.
You're a tyrant.
Tyrant.
This case demonstrates why accountability matters. Police powers must be grounded in law and evidence, not assumption or pressure to act quickly. For the public, the lesson is clear. Remain calm, know the law, and document interactions. For police, the message is just as important. Failure to understand the law doesn't just damage trust, it results in lawsuits, payouts, and public accountability. Justice isn't about confrontation. It's about lawful limits being respected.